For today's vlog, join us as we take you to another room tour at the Garden Villa. And join the family Sevilla trip as we take you to a yummy and healthy food trip here at the farm. We are here.
Oh, diba?
We have been before.
Wow.
Thank you. Alrighty. Let's close. We are in the new villa. So when you enter, there's like a terrace, like a balcony here. Knock knock.
Thank you.
Yay!
I hope there's no tuko.
Let's see if there's tuko. Last time there was a tuko, diba?
But we don't need the tuko anymore.
Okay, excuse me. I need to go inside, remove my shoes. This is called the Garden Villa. We'll take you to the restroom behind the bedroom.
We have slippers.
Okay, thank you. So this is the Garden Villa. This is smaller than the Narapu Villa. But what's nice about this, it's very charming. Like you can see that outdoor bathtub. And it's very aesthetic. Parang feeling mo parang Grecian times. They have closets here. Yes?
Can you show them the outside?
Yes.
This is the outside of our balcony. And here is where we put our umbrella.
That's the umbrella holder. Then,
We have a big jar and a table for if we tired and just bumps around here.
let's go check out the big lagoon. I think there's a romantic setup there. Look at this big mango tree. And to our left side is the big lagoon. Let's see. Let's make Chica what that setup is in that gazebo or crossing a short bridge. Nadapa. Are you okay? Wow, there is really a...
The troll is under a bridge.
The troll is under the bridge. There is a romantic setup by the big lagoon. Wow. Dad, this is for me.
Yan, hindi na sa atin.
Asa. Asa na.
They have, security.
I wonder what's gonna happen here tonight. Kasi sera lang. Ganda-ganda dun, no? Look at that mountain over there. I didn't know that plant could grow that big. Yung parang yellow-green. Pwede palang lumaki ng ganyan kalaki yun, no? Maybe later there will be a violinist here. So nice.
Pwede pala yan.
Pwede pala yun, Daddy. Joke. Very happy already with what we have prepared for our anniversary. Just want to say how much we've enjoyed our stay here. I also saw some comments in one of our videos to suggest daw places where kids can go. This is highly suggested by Sevilla Trip, a place where you can bring your kids, they can run around, and I guess this is a good idea for those who will be celebrating something very special. Pwede palang mag-set up dito, ano? Because the last time, Pao and I and Pablo, we saw a romantic setup doon. They usually have their morning exercise at the amphitheater. So this is their famous pizza, their one and only pizza here. It has buckwheat dough, has broccoli, bell peppers, and very generous amount of meat. Look at this lobster bisque, soup, piping hot, and of course real lobsters. Oh, can you read that? Let's read this together. This is long A.
Bear.
But this one, yes, and then long E sound. Deep.
Water. Danger, deep water.
Very good.
How come the kid is going?
It's a sign. It says, watch out. Good job, Pap. Let's go check out what drinks they have there by the bar. Come on, come on. It's raining, it's raining. It's raining. Let's check out what they have at the bar. Hi. Afternoon. What drinks do you have for kids?
Ma'am, I have fresh juices like orange juice, pineapple juice.
They have cocktails here. Show my kitchen.
You're in a bar.
Wow, someone's in a bar. What did you order? What's your specialty?
Strawberry daiquiri, whiskey sour.
Whiskey sour.
Yes.
You wanna try the whiskey sour?
Whiskey.
Whiskey sour.
Ano yung top 1 dun sa tatlo mo?
Ginger smash.
Ginger
Oh,
smash.
ano
Yes
yun?
po, it's ginger mixed with pineapple. And then a rum. Wala siya sa menu.
Nice. So, yan, sige. Ginger smash.
Yes po.
What's your name?
Leslie, ma'am.
Leslie and
Wilson.
Wilson.
And you, what's your name, baby?
Pablo.
Pablo.
Yes.
Wow, Pablo, this is your mango shake.
Wow, what do you say, Pabs?
You're welcome.
We finally found where the mango shake is.
Pablo, here's your mango shake. Welcome. Enjoy your drink.
Thank you.
Meron tayong mga tropical enzymes.
Ano yun?
Mix naman po siya ng mango, pineapple, banana, and papaya.
Oh, let's do it. Yung narapo for today.
Good.
Oh, puno kayo. Opo.
Is it good?
It's good, right?
Hindi mo na tinanggal yung bibig mo sa straw, ah.
Sino yung pinakamagandang celebrity nakita niyo dito?
License Soberano.
Oh! That is our next adventure. Find License Soberano. For you, Leslie.
Isa kalsado na.
Oh, yes.
Po, napakabait din niya na.
Mukha naman. Parang ang amo.
Ako talagang, at saka napaka-friendly po niya.
Oo, yes. How are you there, boss? Enjoying your mango shake? Anong alcohol mo? Ito ba?
Ito, Pat.
Nakakalasing yan.
And let's drink our juice.
Cheers.
I like this one because it's so sweet and sour.
Mine? I love it.
Yeah, I love it.
Mine, I love it because it has 4 different kinds of fruits inside. What are you having?
Ginger smash. May rum.
Ooh.
All of the guests and staff here are tested. That's why we are wearing face masks for the peace of mind of the guests.
Yes.
But we are tested. Priority natin yung safety ng guests, ng staffs para continue po yung operation.
Wilson De Luna. You are actually the lifeguard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
But at the moment, wala siyang igagard.
Mama,
Walang life na igagard. Ay, ayan, meron na. May people
I
na.
don't think that is really-
Yeah. Thank you, Wilson. And thank you for the great drink, Miss
Enjoy your
Leslie.
stay here, ma'am.
Yes.
Pablo, hi.
Pablo.
Say bye-bye.
bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
You can have ano there, ma'am. Kasi may ginagawa ko tayong mga bagong villas doon.
Wow.
Why did you
Ako,
say
pwede pa
villa?
rin.
How come he said villa?
They're constructing more villas. You see that blue thingy there?
Look at the mountain.
Yeah, we have to be quiet, huh?
And look at the tree.
Wilson is going to tour us, but we have to be very quiet because there are people here having their treatments, okay? Here at the Aqua Sanctuary, their aqua treatments work deep in the muscles, realigning the muscle fibers and connective tissue, and flushing away the toxins. The farm remains to be a COVID-free safe haven, and they are open to offer preventive health and medical wellness programs. Hello! So that was fun. Thank you, Kuya Wilson, for touring us there. This is tuna tail.
Good for 2.
Papsi, what are you watching?
My stranger.
Oh, LB.
Spaghetti, gamberetti, ginger clam soup.
you very much. Galing, galing.
Good morning. You're on our way to breakfast. Come with us. Join us. Hi, little boy. There's Spider Boy. Uy!
Yeah, merong kaming bisita sa villa namin. Ito si Pabs. Ayan, may peacock. Pumasok siya dito.
There's a peacock.
Wow, so pretty. Ready to go?
Is that a cow?
What a beautiful day. We're just gonna walk. Papuntang breakfast place.
Papaya,
Mm-mm.
watermelon,
Mm-mm.
pineapple. I like our umbrella.
It's red. We're the only ones with the red umbrella. Look around you.
Yeah.
Wow. They really put this up for you because they know you like red. Thank you, the farm.
Thank you, the farm.
Okay ka ba, Dad? Nasasanay ka na ba sa sa vegan breakfast? At least once in a while, no?
Oo nga, dito lang ako na detox.
Correct.
Good for 3 pancakes.
Thank you. All right.
Pancake.
Okay.
I like the food.
Good. You should eat a lot, okay? Because you and Dad are gonna explore later while I have my treatment.
I'm going to explore with Spider-Man.
I will call me Spider-Man and I will call Lola Spider-Boy. Because he looks like a boy.
Yes.
Him.
Asing, that's not asing. Oh, there's your coconut sugar. Thank you.
Sige, please. Sige po. Thank you.
Favorite niya. Coconut sugar. Pinapapak
Can you
niya.
put some... Ay, ano ba?
Arroz caldo,
Arroz caldo.
Yes,
Nice.
Yum.
Yum. We already prayed na.
Sige.
Thank you. Wow.
And
There's a lot. It's the mommy duck and the baby duck and the duckling.
hello.
Hello.
They're going. Mom, they're going down the stairs. Look.
You're right.
Do they know how to go down?
Yeah, for sure.
This is gauge 24, ma'am.
Ah, talaga? So, hindi masakit? Sana.
Kagat lang po siya ng bubuyo. Pero kasi laki po ni Johnny.
Yun lang.
Para hindi matako.
Good morning, babe.
Wow, this is nice. That's nice, oh.
Wow. To be put in here.
Yeah, I don't know what. Yeah, while we explore, we found this secret place. Nice.
There's a bigger version like this.
Oh yeah, we haven't been there, no?
Where's that? Going.
I think it's going back to the waterfalls.
How do you know? This waterfall's coming back.
Where? Wow. This is nice.
Mom, we found this place.
So nice, oh.
So nice, oh. Spider web.
There is?
The black one, look.
Oh yeah.
What is freedom? The state of being physically unrestricted. We see freedom in many forms. Freedom of speech, freedom to express oneself, freedom in Christ. But for today's video, this could be our special definition of freedom. To see your child freely run around enjoying his time with his family. Take a short break once in a while from the cares of the world. And the freedom to enjoy your appetite. As the saying goes, eat better, not less.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.
For more Sevilla trips.
Yeah.